Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm your girl Denise J, and make sure you hit the good old subscribe button. Today we're going to be doing a brow tutorial, and I'm going to be using the brow pencil by Benefit, and this is the Precisely brow pencil. And don't worry, I'll leave everything in the description box below on the product that I use. And so right now you just want to basically outline your brow, and you're going to follow your natural eyebrow shape. Now we're going to add hair-like strokes throughout the entire brow, because now this is the point where we want to fill in our brows. Now you're just going to continue to brush your brows in. Just continue to brush them in. Once you feel that you have shaded in your brows enough and you gotten the look that you're going for, you can go ahead and move on to the next step. Now we're going to go ahead and take our LA Girl Pro concealers, and we're going to now shape our brow. We're going to basically use these concealers to make sure that they are super crisp. With my Wet n Wild brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply that concealer to the brush, and I'm going to swipe to the left. I start at the beginning of my brow and I work my way to the tail of my brow. And you want to be really steady. You want to be really cautious on where you're adding that concealer. Take your time, ladies. You don't need to rush this process. I am using the lightest shade of the concealer to outline and conceal my bottom lid. For the top of my brow, I'm going to use the darker shade, which is more like my complexion, to outline my brow to give, like, once again, that crisp look. Now, babes, once you have finished outlining your brows, you're now going to want to go ahead and blend out all of that concealer so we can make sure that it's completely smooth so we can have that great finish. And I'm using a rounded mid fluffy brush, and you're going to tap in the concealer. Once again, you're going to tap in the concealer. You don't want to swipe because you don't want to change the actual appearance of the concealer on top. You want to make sure that everything is in order so it can have that smooth finish. Now, once that's done, you're going to go ahead and you're going to use your brow gel. And this is the brow gel by Anastasia, and this is their clear gel. And you're going to just apply that to your brows, and this gives it a glossy finish so your brows don't look dry. All right, guys, so that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys put them in the comments below. Like I said, if you haven't already, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys hit that notification button. And if you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at IamSoDenise. I look forward to sharing so many more videos with you guys. Love you. Mwah.